An electric substation is part of the electrical power supply system that delivers electricity to consumers. Between the generating power plant and consumer, electric power may flow through several substations. Substation equipment performs a number of functions, one of which is to transform electricity from one voltage to another so that the customers can safely use it. An electric substation operations manager inspects, operates and maintains one or a number of these electrical substations. The power plant manager supervises the substation manager. This is not an entry-level occupation and requires 2 to 3 years of experience and technical knowledge of power distribution networks. Electric substation operations managers need to be familiar with a range of equipment and machinery used in their particular substation. They work with computerized and sometimes automated equipment systems and control boards. The duties expected of the substation operations manager will depend on both the size and type of the substation, as well as the level of automation. The primary focus of this occupation is to ensure that the substation operates efficiently and up to the required standards. The substation manager prepares the equipment for operation and performs switching operations according to the standard operating procedures. They adjust the load and voltage and regulating equipment as required. They monitor switchboard instruments and control equipment such as current converters, voltage transformers and circuit breakers. They regulate the flow of electricity through the substation to overhead distribution lines and onto consumers. During the monitoring process, changes in the load are noted and routine adjustments to the equipment are made. The substation manager communicates with the load dispatcher, reports on load data and receives switching instructions in return. If there's a line disturbance, such as a grounded, shorted out or open circuit, the substation manager will ensure that the correct procedures are followed to correct the problem. If there are unusual operating conditions, the manager adjusts equipment to restore it to standard parameters. If the problem persists, the substation manager will escalate the issue. The substation manager maintains daily operating logs on all operations, both routine and emergency. They make a note of readings of indicating and integrating meters and change, mark and check charts of recording instruments. The manager ensures that the routine maintenance schedules for the substation are maintained. When necessary, the substation manager may carry out duties such as maintaining the storage batteries. Electric substation operations managers often work shift work, which may include nights and weekends. They may be required to sit or stand in control rooms or stations for long periods. Working with substation equipment is potentially hazardous, and strict safety procedures and regulations must be followed to minimize the risk of injury. The Engineering Council of South Africa, or ECSA, is the statutory body that regulates the engineering professions in this country. An accredited national diploma in electrical engineering is therefore required to enter this occupation. Progression in this occupation may involve greater supervisory responsibilities. Some engineering technicians undertake further study. By completing a Bachelor of Technology degree in electrical engineering, the technician progresses to the level of electrical engineering technologist.